Hey, Tommy here. In my last video I showed you guys this light bulb behind me, and in this video I wanted to show you another new thing that I added to my background, and that would be the katana. I've been recently trying to get back into making videos, and one of the things that I wanted to bring into my videos is a cool background. This time I have this cool katana in my background. I'm not showing you guys the specifics of the sword itself. I had this katana hanging on the bookshelf over here that you can't see, but it was over there and it wasn't really being displayed, so I decided to make this stand today, and I think it turned out pretty well. You can see from here you can't actually see it's made out of cardboard, so I think it looks pretty decent, but tell me what you guys think of it. If you've ever wanted to make your own katana stand for some reason, this video is for you. I'm gonna go over how I made this katana stand. I made it in one day. I made it today, only using cardboard, things I had at home, so I didn't have to buy a katana stand.
Alright, so let's get started. To make the katana stand, you are going to get your materials first. So I used cardboard to make my katana stand. So I started getting the cardboard and then I cut the cardboard into strips. I then kind of measured out the width of the katana so I could make cross sections. So that is kind of the approach that I went, and it luckily worked out in the end. So the cross sections are going to support the katana when it sits, so the katana is going to rest in place of the cross section. The hardest part for me was cutting out this oval shape out of the cross section in order to let the katana rest in that place. But once you get that cut out, the rest is pretty easy. You just make 6 copies because that's what I decided on. For cardboard, I thought 3 layers on each support beam, 3 cross sections kind of glued together was good enough for each support beam. So once you get the cross sections cut out, then you move on to the base. The base is pretty easy. You just cut out 2 squares. You put the cross-section beams in the squares, and then that's it. You got your katana stand. Make sure to clean up, but that's about it. You got yourself a nice katana stand, if I do say so myself. So that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. I have some exciting videos that I have been planning and will soon be releasing, so please consider subscribing. That's all. Thanks.